Saturday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. They got me a big hunk of love right here. I was a bump on a log today. I got laundry done. I think I needed a day off. Hi guys. My buddy. You my buddy. Now tomorrow we do the scrape and clean, but they're all happy and they're all good. Let's see what they do. Oh, they see the cat. They see the cat. He won't hurt you guys. Yeah, let's scoop the poop and get some eggs. Hi guys. Here's my Rusty Senior, always in her bed. Oh, you guys got enough food there. You guys got enough food there. All right, let me scoop the poop. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, pardon me. I'm just here to take some eggs. All right, I got 2. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've been running 10 consecutively for a week now, and it's quite possible that Grow Light is putting enough light out for them, because we were getting 4s and 5s for 2 weeks straight. Might be the Grow Light. So I've been catching a coyote every night about 11 o'clock coming up around the trail right here. Trying to keep Griffin away, but it's kind of hard to do. He doesn't want to stay inside the house. I'm going to put some coyote urine out there and see if it kind of confuses him a little bit. Temps are supposed to be dropping on Monday down into the low 30s. No clouds in the sky. Should get interesting. I'm not too concerned. I have all the girls set up, so all I have to do is just plug in their heated waters, and they're good to go. He's acting a little weird. Well, hi guys. What you want? You want your treats? You want your treats? Yeah, he's a good boy. Been having a possum coming around here about 11, 12 o'clock at night. If I'm up, I'm going to try to get it tonight. But I'm going to set out a living free trap. I'll try to get it in there. I'll go release it at the homeless encampment next to my work. They love possum. I haven't mentioned it in a while. The 19th's coming up. But you can find me on TikTok. Same username as TikTok. It's on Instagram and it's on YouTube. Something does happen where TikTok does go away, which I don't think it will. You can find me over there. My daily updates will be on YouTube instead of TikTok because it'll be gone. Now, let's see what Meathead's gonna do. Let's see what Meathead's gonna do. I think I got it down now, where I just kind of, I don't give him the opportunity to be a meathead. And he still gets his treats. Hi guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys finished your food for the first time in a while. Okay, could you please make a hole? Thank you, please, thank you. Oh, there's still some in there. Look at Princess Buttercup, man. She's just running through it. Oh, hi. There you go. And Princess Buttercup's doing so good. She's getting big. I give it about a month, she'll start laying eggs. There's my girl. Yeah, she get to be a big chunk. All right, let's grab some eggs. Oh, we have a sploder. Well, damn. Give me a minute to clean that mess up. You might be wondering why I have linoleum in my rollaway nesting box. That's because there's a grate under here, And the chickens were learning, the egg eater chickens were learning that they could go and peck at the eggs and eat them. That was irritating. So, always modifying. That's why it's called the Winchester coop. Princess Buttercup's a little piglet. She's got it figured out that I throw some up there for her. So she'll go down there and fight through with the girls, trying to get as much as she can down there. Then she goes up and eats up there. And you know what? You didn't like the cat getting that close? So yeah, she's a pretty smart girl. Crazy here. Get a message from my neighbor over here. Griffin was over there last night. He killed a rat and left it in the yard. So we were told to tell him to clean up his mess, young man. I don't know what. He's a cat. I'm not gonna try to figure out. You can't keep him contained. Tomorrow's game plan is the Sunday is always clean the chickens, but I'm gonna get that timer installed for the chicken coop over here at the Skybridge coop, so the lights dim at 8 to 8:30, telling them to go to bed. What? You want to go inside? Oh, come on, get your butt inside. Okay, don't stop in front of me. We talked about this. Had got the fire going about 2 hours ago because it was down in the 60s, and I wasn't liking that. Right now we're in the 74s. Got it choked down all the way. Well, hi, yes, me. I could walk him outside and come back in, pet him, walk back outside, and he'll come up here and want some more pets. Huh? Mr. Crazy. Alright, on that note, I'm taking it easy for the rest of the night. You all stay safe. Have an amazing night.